Good evening, sir. This is what I have understand. 7 common shape stress and the interact. Common shape stress. 1. Hugging is a shape stress where the middle bend upward due to wave crests at the bow and stern, causing tensile stress on neck and compression on the keel. 2. Sagging is the shape stress where the middle bend downward, causing compression on the neck and tension on the keel. 3. Shear force. In shapes result from uneven weight distribution and buoyancy, causing vertical stress that can help to lead in structural failure. 4. Torsional stress occur when uneven wave or loading twists a ship hull, potentially causing structural deformation. 5. Punting is the repetitive movement of a ship hull due to changing water pressure, mainly near the bow and stern, which can cause structural fatigue. 6. Pounding slamming happen when ship bow forcefully strike the water, causing strong vertical shock that can damage the hull. 7. Rocking is the literal deformation of ship's structure due to rolling motion, causing stress on the sides and bulkheads. Measure to counteract ship stresses. 1. Structural design features. Longitudinal strength prevent bending stress. Transverse strength resist rocking and shear force. Double bottom and strength and damage protection. Reinforced bow and stern withstand painting, pounding, and 2. Landing and ballasting practice. Proper cargo distribute prevent hugging, sagging, shear force, and rocking. Ballast management maintain stability and reduce torsional stress. Avoid overloading, prevent excessive hull stress, and poor maneuverability. 3. Operational measures. Speed adjustment reduce impact force like pounding and slamming. Cross in alternal alteration minimize stress by avoiding extreme wave angles. Weather routing help evade hands conditions that cause excessive ship stress. 4. Monitoring and maintenance. Stress monitoring system detect and manage excessive stresses. Regular inspection and maintenance prevent structural failures and early detection structural integrity. Ensure the ship remains strong and seaworthy by using watertight bulkheads, prevent flooding and improve structural strength. Collision bulkhead protect the ship forward section from impact damage. 6. Dynamic stability management. Anti-roll system reduce excessive rolling for better stability. Trim optimization balance the ship of efficient performance and safety. Thank you.